Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove date in Overleaf. So to remove the date from your Overleaf document header use this function right here, date and like that. This is command with an empty set of braces. So if I go like this, if I put here some title and author, and then if I go like so, I will be without the date. So this remove the date. If I here go by February like that, and then I will have here the date also, as you can see. But if I do like that, the date won't be shown right over here. So yeah, so the default \date will automatically insert the today's date when you call make title. So when you call that, just use this line of code and you are good to go. You will not see the date. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.